Hey guys, can you guys tell like I just dry brushed the heck out of my hair? It's all frizzy. Um Anyways, guys, so I am making a bunch of these guys here. It's gonna be a little bat. And I'm using Premier Just Chanel. So it is kind of a fuzzy yarn, and it does the fuzzies come off at the ends of the yarn. I don't have an end available. Where's one of my ends? Well, I don't have an end, but y'all know what I'm talking about. How the fuzzies kind of just come off. And it can be really hard to do the magic ring using this kind of yarn. So I was going to go ahead and give y'all a little video on how I do it. Y'all see, he's gonna be cute with his little ears. There. I've got one more wing to make, and then I get to start sewing them together. I think they're gonna be really cute and really good sellers at the haunted houses. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Just like that. I think they're gonna be super cute. But I've got plans to make another one in black, a couple in red, a couple in gray and white using the Bernat crushed velvet yarn. I think they're going to go over awesome. Anyways, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys how I do a magic ring using the fluffy kind of velvety yarns. And for those of you that don't know, I don't think they sell these anymore. They only had one color at my Dollar Tree left, and it was gray. And then I looked on the Premier website, and the only Just Chanel had was the big cones that they just came out with not too long ago. They were priced at $24.99. So I don't know if you guys know where to get the smaller balls. Let me know in the comments. Because I checked my local Dollar Tree, and I checked, their website, and the only colors I could find was gray, which it'll be fine for a bat. I might go pick some up, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna switch the camera around and show you guys how I do this. Alright guys, so I've got my Just Chanel from Premier here that I'm going to be using for the bat. And then I've got a little piece of scrap yarn here. So to make the magic circle, we're just going to start off like you normally would. Making a magic circle. And then this tail here, we're going to pull that, whoops, just like you normally would. And then we're going to take this, hook it, and we're going to pull it all the way through and tighten that down, just like that. And we're just going to let that sit for a minute so that I can get my slip knot into my fuzzy yarn. So when you're making an amigurumi, a lot of times you'll put 6 into a magic ring, but the portion of the bat that I'm doing right now actually calls for you to put only 4, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I'm going to work 4 single crochet into this loop right here. I know it's black. I know the fluffy yarn is black, and you can't really see the stitches anyways because it is fluffy, but that's 2, 3, and then 4. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my hook. So to tighten this up, you just pull the same thread that you normally would if you were making a regular magic ring. So just gonna pull that right there, and if you pull on this one, it'll pull it a little bit on the other side. So now you have your stitches in a magic ring, and you can trim this off. Usually what I do is I'll tie a knot and then trim it. So I'm going to go into this first stitch right here, and I'm going to do 2 single crochet. Two single crochet. It's 1, and 2, and you can see that when you, whoa, my hook's rolling away. You can see that when you go to do your next round, you can't see this at all. I just add the knot in the back to make it extra secure, but like I said, that is how you can do a magic ring without breaking your yarn, because a lot of times if you try to do the magic ring with this fuzzy polyester type yarn, it will end up breaking when you go to tighten it. So that's just how I do it. I do think there is several other ways, or several people out there that do it similarly. As far as I know, what is this nonsense on my hand? I think it's dried coffee. Anyways, I know that there's a few people out there that do it similarly to what I do. I don't think there's many people that add this, that pull it all the way through and make that knot there. I don't think people realize that making that knot there will help to secure your magic ring before you ever put any stitches in it. So yeah, that's how I do magic rings with the fluffy polyester yarn. And in this one I am using the Premier Just Chanel, which is a super bulky 6, and I'm pretty sure it's 100% polyester. Where is it? Yep, right there, 100% polyester. So yeah, there's that, guys.